Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert file in Confluence page. To begin, open your Confluence space and go to the Overview area. This is your starting point and helps make sure you are in the correct workspace before adding anything to a page. If you manage multiple spaces or pages, taking a moment to confirm your location can help avoid uploading a file to the wrong place. Once you are on the Overview screen, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Sample Page. This will open the page where the file will be inserted. The left navigation is useful for moving between pages in a space, so if you do not immediately see the page content in the main window, just check that the correct page is selected on the side. After the page opens, move to the top toolbar. In the toolbar, click on the Add Image option. In Confluence, this option is often used to insert media or upload content directly into a page while editing. This is the tool that starts the file upload process from within the page itself. A file selection window will appear. Here, click on Choose a File. This opens your computer's file browser so you can select the document, image, or other file you want to add to the page. If you already know where the file is saved, this step will be quick. If not, it may help to pause for a moment and navigate to the correct folder before continuing. Next, browse for the sample file and upload it. Select the file from your computer, then confirm the upload in the file browser window. Once selected, Confluence will begin attaching or inserting the file into the page. Depending on the file size and your connection speed, this may take a few seconds. As the upload completes, make sure the file appears in the page as expected. If it does not show up right away, give Confluence a moment to finish processing. It is also a good idea to quickly check that you selected the correct file before moving on, especially if you are working with similarly named documents. That's all it takes to insert a file into a Confluence page. By starting from the Overview page, opening the correct page from the left navigation, using the top toolbar, choosing your file, and uploading it, you can add content to your page in just a few clicks.